Busy Dumper. The Busy Dumper is a smart and practical upgrade that turns a regular pickup truck into a capable dump truck. Instead of investing in an expensive heavy-duty vehicle, this add-on gives your pickup the power and convenience to handle tough jobs. Available in different versions to fit various models, the Busy Dumper is designed to boost versatility and performance. One of its models can carry an impressive payload of up to 2.7 tons and works with pickups that have a cargo bed length of up to 2.4 meters. This makes it perfect for moving heavy loads, whether it's construction material, farming goods, or other bulky items. The upgrade is designed with practicality in mind. The package includes an extra set of taillights along with labor and other necessary consumables. C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed. The C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed is a hard-working upgrade that turns a pickup truck into a powerful farming tool. Designed to help farmers with one of their toughest jobs, this system makes it easy to lift, transport, and unload multiple hay bales at the same time. Installed in the cargo bed, it saves hours of manual effort and gives farmers a reliable way to handle heavy loads quickly and efficiently. The Cowtown Sleeper is a game-changing upgrade for pickup truck drivers who spend long hours on the road. Many countries are even considering laws that would ban drivers from traveling if they've had less than 4 hours of sleep, which makes rest stops more important than ever. But what happens when you're far from hotels and your truck cab is too cramped for proper rest? That's where the Cowtown Sleeper comes in. A clever capsule designed to give drivers a safe and comfortable place to sleep right inside their pickup. One of the standout options is the Roadrunner version, which features a sleeping space about 190.5 centimeters long, big enough for most drivers to stretch out and recharge. Built with durability and convenience in mind, it's easy to set up, weather-resistant, and compact enough to fit seamlessly with your truck. Whether you're on a long-haul journey, working in remote areas, or just adventuring off the beaten path, this sleeper pod transforms your pickup into a cozy resting spot anywhere you go. Fire Truck of the Future. The Fire Truck of the Future is designed to revolutionize firefighting with powerful technology and eco-friendly performance. Instead of relying on traditional fuel, these next-generation trucks will use electric or hybrid engines, providing incredible strength while producing zero emissions. This makes them cleaner, more efficient, and better for the environment without sacrificing the toughness needed in emergencies. What truly sets them apart is their use of smart technology. Equipped with AI navigation, advanced sensors, and aerial drones, these trucks will give firefighters a full picture of the situation before they even arrive. Drones can scan the fire from above, mapping danger zones and helping create a strategy in real time. Once on the scene, robotic arms and automated systems will handle some of the most dangerous tasks, keeping firefighters safe while still getting the job done. High-capacity water and foam cannons will deliver maximum firefighting power with greater efficiency. Combined with a futuristic design and cutting-edge tools, the Fire Truck of the Future is built to make firefighting safer, faster, and greener. By blending sustainability with advanced robotics and AI, it represents a bold new era in protecting lives and communities. Ford F-Vision Truck Concept. The Ford F-Vision truck concept is a futuristic vision of what the next generation of pickup trucks could be. It combines the toughness and versatility that Ford trucks are famous for with advanced technology and sustainable design. Powered by a fully electric drivetrain, the F-Vision delivers strong performance with zero emissions, proving that powerful trucks can also be environmentally friendly. It's designed for drivers who want strength, style, and responsibility all in one package. The truck features bold, futuristic styling that immediately sets it apart from traditional pickups. Inside and out, it's built with innovation in mind. Advanced driver assistance systems and smart connectivity turn it into more than just a work vehicle. It becomes a mobile tool for productivity and adventure. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, navigating off-road trails, or using it as a high-tech mobile workspace, the F-Vision adapts to fit your needs. By merging sustainability with capability, the Ford F-Vision truck concept points toward a new era of electric trucks. It's not just about raw power anymore. It's about smart power. This concept shows how trucks of the future can be tough, intelligent, and eco-friendly all at once. Haptex Gloves G1. The Haptex Gloves G1 are revolutionary haptic gloves that transform virtual reality and robotics into lifelike experiences. These gloves let you touch, hold, and interact with digital objects as if they were real, thanks to advanced microfluidic actuators, precise motion tracking, and force feedback. They recreate detailed sensations such as texture, pressure, and resistance, allowing you to feel everything from smooth surfaces to heavy objects with remarkable accuracy. Designed for both professional and entertainment use, the Haptex Gloves G1 open endless opportunities. In healthcare, surgeons can practice delicate procedures in safe, realistic simulations. In manufacturing, engineers can test tools and systems virtually without physical risks. For entertainment and gaming, users can dive into immersive worlds where every movement and interaction feels natural and responsive. By bridging the gap between the physical and digital, these gloves provide a true sense of presence, making virtual experiences more engaging and realistic than ever before. With their groundbreaking design and practical applications across multiple industries, the Haptex Gloves G1 set a new standard for virtual interaction, offering unmatched realism and opening doors to innovation, training, and immersive experiences worldwide. The Mobile Strong truck bed storage drawers are the ultimate upgrade for truck owners who value security, organization, and durability. Instead of wasting the space over the wheel arches, these heavy-duty drawers turn it into a smart storage system that keeps your gear safe and easy to access. Built tough, they are perfect for storing tools, camping gear, or even firearms, making them an ideal choice for workers, adventurers, and anyone who needs reliable storage on the go. Each drawer is engineered to handle up to 159 kilograms of weight, ensuring that even your heaviest equipment can be stored with confidence. For those who want extra security, a digital code panel can be added to the lock, giving you advanced protection and peace of mind when leaving valuable items in your truck. The smooth design also makes organization simple, so you won't waste time digging around for what you need. The Sleipner DB45 is a powerhouse machine built for some of the toughest jobs in forestry, construction, and off-road industries. Designed to perform where traditional vehicles struggle, it combines raw strength with smart engineering to handle rough, uneven, and sensitive terrains with ease. Whether it's hauling logs, transporting equipment, or tackling demanding tasks in challenging environments, the DB45 is built to get the job done efficiently and reliably. What makes the Sleipner DB45 stand out is its innovative tracked system. Unlike wheeled machines, its wide tracks distribute weight evenly, reducing ground pressure and minimizing damage to the terrain. This makes it perfect for working in muddy, snowy, or environmentally sensitive areas, where protecting the ground is just as important as completing the task. The tracks also deliver exceptional stability and traction, ensuring smooth operation even on steep or slippery surfaces. Despite its heavy-duty nature, the DB45 is designed with operator comfort and precision in mind. Its controls are intuitive, giving users confidence and accuracy while managing tough jobs. Built with durability, versatility, and performance at its core, the Sleipner DB45 is more than just a machine. It's a dependable partner for professionals who demand strength, stability, and reliability in the most extreme conditions. The Tango pickup truck transformation system is a smart upgrade for anyone who wants to make their truck more useful and versatile. If you often run out of space or need better organization, this system is the perfect solution. Its sturdy cover doesn't just protect your truck's platform from dust, rain, or damage. It also works as an extra floor to keep your gear safe and organized. The best part is that you don't need to drill holes or make permanent changes to install it. It's quick, easy, and designed to fit perfectly. The Tango system is also highly customizable, making it ideal for outdoor lovers and active users. With accessories, you can securely carry bicycles for cycling trips or store fishing rods neatly for your next adventure. It's not just for hobbies. This system also makes everyday use more convenient, whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or shopping items. Built with durability in mind, it's available for popular trucks like the Ford Ranger, offering strong performance at a practical price of around $500. Whether you use your pickup for work, travel, or outdoor activities, the Tango system transforms it into a more organized, flexible, and efficient vehicle you'll enjoy every day. Telescope with 26 cameras. The new telescope with 26 powerful cameras is changing the way we explore the universe. Unlike traditional telescopes that focus on smaller areas of the sky, this advanced instrument can capture wide portions of space at the same time. With its high-resolution camera system, it scans billions of stars in search of planets that may be similar to Earth. Its main mission is to discover potentially habitable worlds outside our solar system, giving us new hope in answering the big question: are we truly alone in the universe? The telescope works by detecting tiny dips in starlight when a planet passes in front of its star. This simple but powerful method helps scientists find planets that could have the right conditions for life, such as water or an atmosphere. With 26 cameras working together, it can collect more data than ever before, speeding up the search for Earth-like planets. This telescope represents a major leap forward in space exploration. It doesn't just help us see the stars more clearly, it brings us closer to discovering new worlds and perhaps even life beyond Earth. It's a tool of hope and discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Xiaomi Smart Factory. The Xiaomi Smart Factory is a next-generation AI-powered manufacturing hub that shows what the future of production looks like. This advanced facility uses robotics, smart systems, and real-time data to run almost entirely on its own, requiring very little human involvement. Despite that, it can produce high-quality devices at incredible speed and efficiency. What makes it unique is how artificial intelligence and machine learning are used to improve every step of the process. From design and assembly to quality checks, the system constantly learns, adapts, and makes the workflow smoother and more accurate. Smart logistics and precise automation allow the factory to operate with amazing consistency. The Yeti Snow and Ice Remover is built to take the stress out of harsh winter days, making snow and ice removal quicker, easier, and far more effective. Unlike standard shovels or flimsy scrapers, this heavy-duty tool is designed to power through tough conditions with ease. Whether you're clearing icy driveways, frozen sidewalks, or heavy snow buildup around your car, the Yeti gives you the strength and efficiency you need to get the job done. Zoox Robotaxi. The Zoox Robotaxi is a futuristic, fully autonomous electric vehicle designed to completely change the way people travel in cities. Unlike regular cars that are later fitted with self-driving technology, this vehicle has been built from scratch for autonomy. It features a smart bidirectional design, advanced four-wheel steering, and a full set of sensors that help it move smoothly and safely through busy city streets. With zero emissions, it's not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly, helping reduce air pollution in crowded urban areas. Inside, the Zoox Robotaxi is all about comfort and convenience. There's no steering wheel or driver's seat. Instead, the space is designed like a lounge where passengers can relax, talk, or even work during the ride. Its roomy interior makes it ideal for short city trips or shared rides, giving people a new level of comfort in daily travel. This vehicle is more than just a taxi. It's a vision of future mobility. By offering on-demand, eco-friendly rides, the Zoox Robotaxi could reduce traffic jams, cut down on urban pollution, and make city transport smarter and more efficient.